This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop actually lists the headphones as connected. This matters because a paired but inactive device produces no audio. Once done, check headphone battery and proximity. Weak power or range kills audio streams. Make sure no other phone or tablet is actively linked, since multiple active profiles can steal the audio channel. If the device shows connected but silent, move on immediately to settings. You will force the laptop to use the correct audio profile and device. Next, set the headphones as the default playback device in the system sound panel, because many laptops keep the internal speakers as default. Then check the Bluetooth audio profile. Switch to a 2DP high-quality mode rather than headset hands-free mode, since the latter may mute media streams. If you still hear nothing, update or reinstall the Bluetooth and audio drivers, restart the Bluetooth service, or reboot the machine to reinitialize profiles. These actions re-establish the correct software route for audio. To finish, unpair the headphones, reboot the laptop, and perform a fresh pairing. This clears stale profiles and cached settings. After reconnecting, run the system sound test and play media, check both system and app volumes, and disable audio enhancements that can interfere. If audio remains absent, test the headphones with another phone or laptop to isolate whether the laptop or headset is at fault. If the headset fails elsewhere, perform a factory reset on the headphones and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.